the best ancient spice for weight loss and fitness. If a substance increases metabolism and reduces body fat tissue, this substance is the best option for weight loss and fitness. And this substance is nothing but saffron. The history of saffron production dates back to 3,000 years ago. The first cultivation of saffron became popular in Iran during the Sassanid period and from the city of Qom. Saffron is a spice that is obtained from the dried stigma of the saffron flower and is used as a spice, color, perfume, and medicine. This tasty and valuable spice is one of the most expensive spices in the world, which is more expensive than other spices due to the difficulty of planting and harvesting it. The price of 1 kilo of quality saffron is about $5,000. In this video, we want to check the properties of saffron for fitness and weight loss, so stay with us until the end of this video. This plant changes the level of serotonin in the body, which helps control the feeling of satiety and overeating, and ultimately, you consume fewer calories throughout the day. Also, saffron increases the metabolism of the body. By increasing metabolic function, stored fat is burned faster and fewer calories remain in your body. It is interesting to know that the substance responsible for fat absorption in the body, crocin, is also one of the constituents of saffron. Crocin can stop the pancreas, which is responsible for absorbing fats and destroys fat storage in the body and increases energy production for this purpose. The physical activity of people increases and calorie burning improves to the same extent. Also, saffron is a strong antioxidant that is very useful for the body. Saffron also has anti-cancer properties and also lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. With the proper use of red gold saffron in the daily diet, you can achieve physical fitness and health. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please share your comments with us and subscribe to the YouTube channel Be Healthy. Be healthy.